In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel AutoPay with Wells Fargo. Whether you've decided to change how you manage your finances or simply prefer a different payment method, this guide is here to help you navigate the process with ease and clarity. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wells Fargo account. You can do this either through their website or through the mobile app, whichever you find more convenient. Once you're signed in, you'll want to locate the account for which you've set up AutoPay. This could be a credit card, a loan, or a checking account. As you navigate through, keep an eye out for sections labeled something like Manage AutoPay, Automatic Payments, or Recurring Payments. If you're dealing with an auto loan specifically, the path is slightly different. You'll need to select your auto loan from the account summary, then proceed to choose Manage AutoPay. These sections are your gateways to modify or cancel your current AutoPay setups. Once you have located your AutoPay schedule, the next step is to find and select the option to cancel or stop it. Now, in the ideal scenario, this process is straightforward and can be done entirely online or through the app. However, if you find that the cancellation option isn't available through these digital platforms, don't worry, you might need to take a slightly different approach. Wells Fargo phone support can assist you in canceling AutoPay. Their representatives are usually well equipped to guide you through the necessary steps, so have your account information ready when you call. An additional note, Wells Fargo's FAQs recommend placing a stop payment for any pre-authorized ACH items. It's also a good practice to contact the merchant involved and revoke their authorization to make sure they're aware of the change. After you've successfully canceled your AutoPay, it's crucial to keep an eye on your account for the next billing cycle. This vigil will ensure that no further automatic payments are deducted. If, by any chance, a payment does go through after you've submitted your cancellation request, you have the option to dispute it. Monitoring your account during this period will help you catch any discrepancies early and allow for prompt correction. And there you have it. A straightforward way to cancel AutoPay with Wells Fargo, equipped with just enough detail to make the process smooth and stress-free. Remember to always double-check your account settings and confirmations of cancellation for complete peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and good luck managing your financial future with greater flexibility.